Hello everybody, this is Ali and welcome back to my channel guys. So today guys I get a new and amazing video for you, which the content of the video is I'm gonna show you some telegram channels, some telegram crypto channels that would be beneficial for you. So that's why don't skip and watch it till the end if you want to get all the crucial points and essential information about this video. So my dear friends, as always, before getting started to the video, I would like to highlight that I'm not financial advisor. That's no financial advice video. Just research and invest. All the responsibilities up to you. So that's it for preview. Let's dive into the video. So as you see on my screen, the first telegram channel is the DeFi Million that I'm gonna show you. Firstly, telegram channel, as you see on the screen, DeFi Million. Welcome to DeFi Million. DeFi, NFT and crypto. DeFi Million provides unlimited information on the latest DeFi projects to its subscriber. It's a channel, so there's no room for interaction, but there is enough privacy for subscribers to benefit. Actually, is the best 1,000% profit on DeFi signals. Telegram crypto channel DeFi Millions is a decentralized telegram channel for investors and traders. So another one, so second one is the ICO Speak News. Here's their telegram channel, ICO Speak News. Actually, my dear friends, as you see on my screen, so ICO Speak News channel in Telegram for cryptocurrency news, AMA session announcements, airdrops, as well as marketing and token pre-sales. Largest crypto pump and dump channel. Join ICO Speaks discussion. Chat ICO Speak, as you see here is there. So another one, ICO Speak, my dear friends. Here's the ICO Speak Telegram group. Actually, so the best Telegram group for signals, AMA sessions, airdrops, altcoin pre-sales and airdrops. So another one is, my dear friends, ICO listing. It's also group, Telegram group. So about ICO listing, list your projects and share all the benefits with investors. We will create an amazing hype around your project and we'll discuss it. So this group is a perfect signals in Telegram news about ICO, initial coin offerings, and relative crypto projects who are looking for fundraising for startups. AMA session, ask me anything. So another one is the BTC Champ, my dear friends. So as you see, this is the BTC Champ channel on Telegram. So BTC Champ is a group for crypto traders in Telegram. They trade BTC, Ethereum, BTC USDT, and other altcoins. You will be able to find useful news and posts here as well. So another one is the Crypto Evolutions, my dear friends. Here's the Crypto Evolution Telegram channel. It's showtime for you, IEO and DeFi. Let's skyrocket your project. So all the news about cryptocurrencies in one place, round the clock, operational and automatic updating. So another one, the Bitcoin traffic. Bitcoin traffic. Here's this channel, actually, as you see on my screen. So only fresh news from the world of cryptocurrencies, lightning fast publications, one of the best traffic channel. Check out full description on website. So another one, IEO Pools, my dear friends. Here's as you see on my screen, this channel. So welcome to IEO Pools channel. Follow the latest news, pre-sales, airdrops, signals, promotions, IEO listing and marketing. So another one, ICO Speak channel. As you see, here's the ICO Speak channel, my dear friends. And so about this channel, ICO Speak channel on the one of the best in the market. Here's the Y channel, Live Science. ICO Hype means a channel good to watch new token sales, also AMA announcement. If you like AMA and wanna earn reward, ICO Speak news for you. So another one is the ICO advisor. As you see on my screen, this is the ICO advisor channel. So let's have a look about this. They're one of the best Telegram crypto channel to advise you with a project to invest or token to buy. So name is ICO advisor, top first channel since 2018. So another one is the crypto solutions, my dear friends. So here's the crypto solutions Telegram channel, and welcome to the crypto solution channels. Follow the latest news, pre-sales, airdrops, signals, for promotions. So another one is the Coins Capital of the crypto coins for the traders and investors in blockchain industry. Follow us to get daily updates and fresh news. Here's the Coins Capital Telegram channel, best channel collection, DeFi, AI signals, ICO, Bitcoin, AMA, AI and news. So another one is the ChatGPT news, my dear friends. So here's the ChatGPT news Telegram channel, and ChatGPT news channel is all about artificial intelligence in cryptocurrency market with artificial created news every day. Stay with us to be the confidently updated daily. Another one, the Bitcoin Mansory. Here's their channel, Bitcoin Mansory channel on Telegram, and the Bitcoin Mansory Telegram crypto channels for everyone who are looking for the best content in crypto world. So another one is the ICO Speak. Here's for Russians, and as you see on my screen, this channel. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel to support me, to support my channel. If you find that video beneficial for you, you can share with your friend to give the same benefit to them. So all the links related to the video will be in the description section below. You can have a look, you can get all of them from there. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.